Well, hello everybody. This is shooting video number 3. Trace. Uno, dos, tres. This is the third one. It is the final one. And I hope you have enjoyed the other two because I enjoyed shooting them. And this is the AR15 close quarter drill. And what it is we measured off 15 feet. There's 4 assailants in the room. You're busting through the room, and they're all armed. And the pattern is there's 4 guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's it. So I don't want to turn my back to you, but it's 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And now you're working on your ability to move back and forth and hit what you're aiming at. Okay. And hit what you're shooting at, because you're really, this is another drill that you're moving fast and you're not really coming up to your sight picture, and you're aiming, you're pointing your gun and shooting basically as fast as you can. And what you're doing is your first 2 targets it's going to be your first 2 targets in the middle, and then your ones at the end. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Swing back over here, 1, 2, and swing all the way back over here, 1, 2. And this gives you the practice to be able to hit what you're looking at as you're moving your weapon to different areas of the room. Really cool drill. Never done anything like that. When you go to an inside shooting range, you can't do things like that. So this was really fun for me. I hope you enjoy this video. All right, we are fixing to go shooting in the mountains. Brother gave me 40 rounds of 5.56 because I didn't bring any 5.56, so I'm gonna be able to shoot some 5.56. There you go.
He made me wanna sit down and breathe. He made me wanna lay back and think about how good you've been to me. Still how much I've yet to see. I never blindsided by a whisper, 'cause we spent our time and lived our lives together along the way. I hear you say, just breathe, breathe in and out, just be still and know I'm God. You give me courage to dream. Your presence makes me wanna sing, and I'm gonna sing about how good you've been to me. Ooh, and how you hold my destiny. Oh, ooh, when I look in your eyes, I see a faithful friend, 'cause we've been through the good, the bad, the tough, the ugly. Oh no, no way. And I hear you say, just breathe, breathe in and out, just be still and know I'm God, and forget not how good
big of room that you're going to be dealing with.
So we're doing a 15-foot room, and this is to clear a room that of people have just busted in your apartment. This is urban defense. This is going into a situation, or you're breaking into a room, and these are the guys you're going after, and they want to kill you the second you get in that room. Either way you look at it, you have to kill these guys.
So when you're entering this room,
I mean, you just have to take them out. We're not killing guys, we're killing targets.
so when you're entering this room,
YouTube.
you're probably already at about half ready,
All right.
because you know you're coming into a situation. And then you come in and you see the situation, you pop up and you start firing. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you notice that
So let me take.
lateral movement.
Let me walk in front of you because I'm not quite understanding. Okay. This is your first target.
No.
This is your first target.
Yes, we're going 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6,
4, 5, 6,
7, 8,
7, 8,
9, 10.
9, 10.
And you see
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you swing back over here.
Yep.
Okay. 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yep.
3, 3, 2, 2. 3, 3, 2, 2.
And you'll notice your lateral movement.
2. Okay.
Your lateral movement as you're doing this, you get your 3 shots. Now you have lateral movement to the next target, but now you have lateral movement across that target to that target, and then you have even more lateral movement to get to the last guy.
So the point is practice your lateral movement.
True.
Okay, so that's what we're doing.
This is another one where we're not really using the sights. You'll see by how fast I try to pull the trigger that
Should I have my pin side up or my wide side up?
you're not even going to be looking down the sight.
All right.
You'll be pointing the rifle.
Okay. Never done that before.
Let's see.
Ears in.
This will be the first time I tried to do this in probably 2 years.
All right.
Okay, tell me a beep.
Beep.
Checking my area, checking my gun, clear and safe.
Okay.
Now, when I was better practiced at this, that would have been smoother. Instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, it would have just rolled together.
Right.
Okay, so
Seems it's gonna be faster than what I'm gonna do.
first one, that's nice. Second one, that's in there. A lot of lateral movement coming over here, but I still took them twice.
Right.
Now I'm swinging all the way back over here, and it looks like I got him once. And this is the toughest target.
And that's when you have to draw. That's when you have to draw from the hip
Right.
and get him with your 45.
Right. So I took 3, I took 3, I took 2, and that one there is hard to do because you're coming all the way back across to get to that target.
Right. Okay. You gonna go again, or is it my turn?
You want to go now?
I guess I'll go now. I told you.
Not here now. That's not what I meant when I said go now.
Go now. Remember, my body's not used to this altitude. I'm blowing up.
I guess I'll go now.
Now that's called timing. All right.
Now you can see, again, trying to pull the trigger that fast and change targets like that, you're really not using your sights, you're just pointing the rifle.
So I'm going to hand you that.
And again, you could load 20 rounds, 30 rounds, or whatever. In a real situation, you would probably have a full magazine. But in this case, because the drill only accounts for 10 rounds, for safety's sake, we're only doing 10 rounds at a time loaded in the magazine.
Right. And you're going into the situation charged, right?
Yeah, you're charged, you're ready, your safe is off, your safety is off.
Safety's off.
And you're chambered, you're ready to fire, right?
I am now.
You're at half ready. Oh, crap. There we go.
That's what editing's for.
So I just filmed myself going, oh, crap. Okay, are you ready?
Yep.
Beep. Out of order.
Was it out of order?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. But I got all 10 into the barriers.
You did.
Clear. Safe. So I went 1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6,
4, 5, 6,
7, 8, 9, 10.
9,
So
10.
you disregarded quite a bit of lateral movement that you needed to be doing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I just got confused in my head.
Yep.
First time doing it.
Yep.
Still killed him. First time doing it, but still killed him.
I'm getting pretty warm.
It keeps like cooling off and then warming up again.
Yep. Look, the clouds are moving in. Look at the mist.
Yeah, look at the mist. We're going into the clouds. The clouds are moving. We're going into the clouds, man. You can feel the change in the wind. See, look, everybody. See how it's like misting across that view we had earlier?
Can't even see those mountains from earlier.
Yeah, there, you can barely see that scenic view.
Yep.
And you can see the mist just kicking through the center of it. All right.
This line? Yeah, this line right here, huh?
Shooter ready?
No. Okay, shooter ready.
Beep.
Clear and safe.
All right. Let's see what happened.
I shot high here. 1, 2, 3, but that's pretty dead.
Yeah, because he's a little guy.
There's 1, 2, 3, so he's pretty dead.
Yeah.
And there's 1. There's only 1. And oh, is that a hole? That's a hole, but I don't think it's a bullet hole.
So 1.
And 1. Yeah, 1. So this guy's the only guy that's not definitely dead.
Because that was good. That was a good shot right in the up in here.
Yeah, but I wonder where I squeezed the other shot off to.
Probably someplace right close. Made him pee himself. It's getting windy now.
Yep. And I don't know what time it is, but we might be considering leaving soon.
Yeah.
Because it takes almost an hour to get back.
So two more.
I will have not even shot my AR-10. So Jerry Mishlik holds the world's record, like I said, for this drill, although he didn't use 4 separate targets,
Right.
at 1.6 seconds. I have done this drill in 2.4 seconds several times before in my life. I know I'm not making that kind of mark right now, but
Oh,
I
no.
haven't been practicing.
It's called practice.
I haven't been out here doing this. I rarely ever have time. The only reason I have time today is because I took time off for Steve being here.
It's my birthday. All right. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2.
You making me film you again?
Yes. 1, 2, 3.
I'm sure you've practiced double taps with your rifle before, right?
Huh?
Double taps. I'm sure you've practiced double tapping your rifle before, right?
Oh yeah.
Because that's what most people will move on to, double taps. This is well beyond double taps.
That's the thing. The last couple times I've been at the range, I've been using the other guy's stuff, not using my own stuff.
Left center, left outside, right outside. Dry fire it once.
Did I charge it? I don't think I charged it.
Well, let's pull it back and find out. Nope.
Okay.
Yeah, so just go ahead and tap the trigger like you're shooting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Safety off.
Safety's off.
Shooter ready?
Yes.
Beep. Yep.
Clear, safe. So I did it right that time, right?
Yes.
Did I hit things?
Let's see. It looks like you only got 2 hits on this guy, one here and one here. I don't see any other new bullet holes there. So I think you probably missed off to this side.
Because I went 1, 2.
You might have gone 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
As you were getting onto target.
Then I came back over, got my 2.
And came back over here and got your 2.
So I got a bullseye on that one, right?
Yeah.
And then right beside it, and I got those 2.
Yep.
Not that bad. Was it fast?
I don't think it was as fast as me.
Well, no, but I mean,
the other hand,
was it fast for the second time doing it? And doing it right?
Yeah.
For the first time doing it right? I like doing drills a whole lot better than just target shooting. Wow, it did. Look how cloudy it is right now, right here.
Yep.
You think we're gonna go like one more round each and then
pack it up?
and pack it up?
Yeah, we probably could. I don't know what time it is, but we're supposed to go have your birthday soon.
Yeah.
Got to order the pizza and everything.
It's 12:43, so we'll start packing up. We'll be out by about 10 after 1.
Yeah, and then we have almost an hour back.
Right, so 2 o'clock. And then
we'll have a little time maybe to relax before the girls show up.
And we got pick up a little cake for those guys. I've got birthday.
Oh, yeah.
I got birthday cake protein bars.
Yeah. We have to go to Safeway, huh?
And I only got 3 of those. I only got 3 of those.
Okay. Let me see how fast I can do it this time. I'm focusing more on fast than I am on aiming, to be honest.
Right.
Shooter ready?
Babe.
clear, and safe. Now you see how that time was more fluid. The breaks in between. So what's happening is I'm trying to change targets as fast as I can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe. There was another one I don't think I saw before. So there's 2 holes there. So probably 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And notice I'm trying to get off this target as fast as I can to go over there. So notice I went boom, boom. That's not even boom, is it? Well, it's green, so I don't know for sure.
We can call it good.
And
this
guy lived.
Huh? This guy lived.
Yep.
This guy is the guy where you need to pull your pistol.
Yep, that guy lived.
You lucky bastard. Wait till I get to you.
Because you're not going to try to go as fast as you can, huh?
I'm just going to try to do it. All right.
This is actually the only thing I like that small rifle for.
Urban defense. Urban carry.
Shooter ready?
Ready?
Beep!
Clear. Safe.
Check your surroundings.
Check my surroundings.
All right. You blasted a whole sticker off that one.
Which one? So. I saw my 3. 1, 2, 3.
4, 5, 6.
4, 5, 6.
7, 8.
7, 8.
9, 10.
9, 10. I did it.
You did it.
I did it good. I mean, it wasn't fluid, but it wasn't that slow either. I mean,
It was pretty slow.
not that slow. Not for a second time.
It was kind of slow. You don't realize how fast it's going, actually. But the transition between targets actually takes up more time than you think. In the time it took you to transition from one target to another, you could have got 2 shots off.
I was looking at a timer thingy for like 79 bucks.
Yeah. Well, I have a stopwatch, and the way Darren and I do it, I stand behind you, and when I start the stopwatch, I tap your shoulder.
Because like HR has his timer that he uses, and that's like pretty cool. So we're doing good.
So I'm gonna try to actually aim a little bit this time.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Beep. Beep. Is it? Is it? Are they?
Clear and safe.
Clear and safe.
Well, that was a good group.
That was a good group. 3, 2, 3. 1, 2.
So
1, 2.
So the way I did it just then was more the way you were doing it, where I was actually partially acquiring the target before I shot, instead of just. I
mean, I guess I'm looking down the barrel, but I'm not looking down the sights.
Right.
Because I haven't once looked at the sights. Not that I know of. I'm just pointing. I'm pointing with my eye down the barrel, I guess, is what it is.
Right, that time I wasn't using the sight either, but I was looking down through here, using this, the two rails, to those rails, not really using the sight.
Maybe that's what I'm doing.
Yeah.
I don't even know what I'm doing. I just know it seems to be working all right. All right, me turn?
Your turn.
Okay. Go. So before I charge it, I'm just going to take a pa 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 pa. Okay. Here we go.
Shooter ready.
Ready?
Beep.
Man, I went out of order.
Not only that, you got only a couple shots on one. You went 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2.
There was a situation.
That was the situational awareness.
That was situational awareness.
That was a really big guy, so you had to take him out more.
I saw that coming on aim faster than that guy was, and I had to take him out. I saw that he dropped right where I hit him right there, so I used the rest of the ammo on that guy.
Yes, you did.
See, it was situational awareness. See, maybe you can change it up like that based on the situation.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10. He still got hurt.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I did 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1.
No, you got 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1.
Oh yeah, 1, 2, 3.
You were doing the waltz.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Now those are some close shots right there. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1. I mean, even though out of order,
I don't think you were out of order. I think you shot the targets in the right order. You just got 3 on this one instead of 2. Okay, I had one more.
Let's do one more.
Okay, I'm just gonna.
Shooter ready?
Ready?
Babe.
Clear and safe?
Yes. I concur. One, two, three.
I only see 2.
I only see 2. Where's the third one?
Right there.
There it is. 1, 2. And 1, 2, and me. That was
yeah,
me.
2 of me and 1 of you.
Yeah, that was me in the corner. Well, what you just did is you walked in the room and said, I got to finish that guy off. He got back up with the other 3 guys, with 3 new guys.
So I really killed him here, but then I only hit him in the shoulder there.
Right. No. What's that?
Oh.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, I guess it is.
Yeah.
I didn't notice that.
You bullseyed him.
Yeah, I hit him in the lungs and then high and then higher. That's cool because it's in a straight line too.
Yeah. See, what happened was 3 new guys walked in. That guy got back up because I only wounded him. And
exactly.
So what you did is you took him out. That's the storyline.
This one was 2 in the upper chest and 1 in the head.
There's nothing wrong with that.
Nope. All right.
So we have saved the world once again.
So
we have saved the world once again. This was our day of shooting. Happy birthday to me.
I didn't have a chance to shoot my AR-10. So I would like to walk back to the van
and shoot from there.
Get a couple of shots from there and see what happens. Because
all right, let's see what happens from the van.
I moved the sight this morning.
So this is a Brownell Gen 1.
First ever contracted an imitation of the first ever contracted AR-10, which was contracted somewhere around 1956 or 58 to the Sudanese government.
Pretty cool.
You'll notice a couple different things. There's no forward assist. There's no charging handle, because this upside down trigger is the charging handle.
Right.
Which is somewhat inconvenient, to be honest, but that's the way the first
gen was.
Mm-hmm.
It's cool.
And it's in 308.
It's in 308.
We're doing a test run because these sights are not just adjustable like other sights are on other rifles, ARs. In loosening a set screw, you then loosen the rear sight, which is then just flopping in the air. So you have to be real careful how you move it. And it's not until you shoot it again whether or not you know you moved it too far.
Wow. What's the wheel?
What's that?
What's the wheel? This.
That's elevation.
That's elevation.
Whereas on the M16A1, they took that wheel away, even though it was on the original design, and they gave you an adjustable front pin, which this has just a completely non-adjustable, really, really fat front pin, so it makes it harder to aim. And I guess we're just going to do this standing since there's such a mess here.
Ears.
Not only that, my glasses fogged up.
You didn't have your ears on either.
Yeah, but I've been drumming since I was 5 years old, so. Glasses fogged up again. Must have got really humid here.
It's just catching the breath inside your glasses.
You want to take a turn?
Yeah.
It's not that far. It's only like 50 yards or so. So I'm not really going to be able to tell if it's zeroed.
You got, it's still ammo?
Yeah, and it's on safe.
All right.
So it's ready to fire, except take it off safe. Don't shoot the left target.
So you're shooting the left target?
Yeah.
So I shoot the right target?
Yeah.
Next to the little target?
Yeah.
All right.
You're hitting it. I don't know how many rounds were in there.
How? Make sure I don't have a... Okay. All right. That was the 308.
You can pretty much tell which hole is the 7.62.
Yeah, that was, yeah, I shot 10. 1, 2, 3. Or something. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey, I shot the stickers off of that one, huh?
Yeah. So it looks almost 10 to 10, I think.
It looks pretty zeroed, if you ask me, too.
I think so.
Standing? I mean,
Yeah.
that was standing at 50 yards. That looks pretty zeroed. I wish we could have done a little bit of prone at 100 yards, but we just didn't have time today.
But I mean, for me, and I've not shot prone, so me standing, and that's a 308, and I don't shoot 308s, I'd say that's pretty zeroed.
Yeah, there's 10.
And so I thought I counted 10 here. So for me, just picking it up out of the box,
Yeah, that's good.
and rolling 10 at 50 yards,
Mm-hmm.
I'd say that sight's pretty good.
I'd say it is too. I'd like to see what's up at 100 yards, but yeah, when I'm really actually able to specifically aim it.
And go prone and have that kind of stability.
Yep.
When you're looking at personal wobble.
But standing, I put every single one of those in the 10 ring.
Yep.
Because those are 223s there.
Yeah, I got 4 in the 10 ring. Most of everything else in the 9 ring.
Mm-hmm.
That ain't bad, man. I would say what you did to the site worked so far. Like you said, you need to go prone.
That's it. Right.
At 100.
I can get real specific because again, at only 50 or 60 yards, being a little bit off standing, you may not be able to tell. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, because it's designed to be like 100 yards, 300 yards.
300-yard gun, yeah.
Yeah.
So,
how did you enjoy that video? I thought it was pretty cool. Now, I think I ran it 4 times, maybe 5 times. I think I ran it 4 times. It's 4 or 5 times. 2 times I got the all but 1 time I got the pattern right in terms of target, 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 target. But the last time I shot, my rounds weren't right. I did 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. The first time I shot it, I did 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. So it was opposite of what I was supposed to do, but it was cool. We got my brother on a couple times with those. He was going for speed. He used to practice this one where he follows, I forget what the guy's name is. You can go back to the video, and he follows a certain guy that holds a world record for this kind of drill. And so he was, a couple years ago, really good at this, but he's been busting his butt 6 days a week for about 2 years now in modular furniture installation, and he has not had a chance to practice his gun skills. So granted, if all you're doing is building furniture and not shooting, your shooting is not going to be what it was the last time you picked up your weapon. He showed me some really good stuff, and trust me, he did good considering he hadn't been shooting. But I did good. I mean, I was at just under 4 seconds on one of the drills, 4 seconds on one of the drills. So it really wasn't that slow. One of his drills was at 4 seconds also. So, but he had it down under 2 seconds with everything hitting. And they got a record. If he can find his friend to get the video of that, I would put that in there. But we had a really good time. I appreciate my brother. I love my brother a lot. HR, I hope you like this AR15 drill. Let me know what you think. I was just thinking about you doing failure drills and stuff like that. You inspired me to try to figure out how to do things better. And my brother helps me to do things better. So I appreciate everybody in the gun community. And I just want to say, I love you. I hope you enjoyed this video. And I'll see you next time.